Going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Welcome this evening, Sunday. We're hanging out. It's cool. Thanks, man. Look at that. Got my MOJO hat on. Got my comfy champion thermal shirt on. I got the futures going here on the main screen. Check out the futures up 304, mama. Can you believe it? We're at 324. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. Let me take a little shot of these future rooters right there. That's amazing. So we got the futures up 324.28. That we may hit 29,000 tomorrow. 29,000, man. S&P 35.45 and another, that's 3,600. NASDAQ 12,272 and another two, that puts it at mini 12.5. Once it touches 11, right to 19,000, we're on our way. Amazing. Yeah, I love that holiday music. I'm gonna see if I'm synced up. 1,000, we're on our way. Amazing. I love that holiday music. I'm gonna see if I'm synced up. I'm not. We're on our way. Test. 1, 2. How about we go delay 1100. Maybe that'll do it. Testing. This is going to be a good show tonight, so I want to make sure that I have it all correct. You know what I mean? Let's check it out. This is going to be a good show tonight, so I want to make sure that I have it all correct. You know what I mean? Let's check it out. So my voice is talking, and then I'm coming. Let me try the delay here a little bit off. Alright, we'll try that one now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. How's it coming in right now? Maybe that's a little bit better. Let's see. Alright, we'll try that one now. Testing, 1, 2, 3. How's it coming in right now? Maybe that's a little bit better. Let's see. Nah. Great. My whole freaking shit's all messed up. I gotta fix it sometime. Alright, so let's see what else is happening tonight. I got a lot of things on my agenda. Yeah, the NASDAQ futures are up 200. The Dow futures are up 331. And stock futures open higher after Biden's victory. I got a lot of things on my agenda. Yeah, the NASDAQ futures are up 200. The Dow futures are up 331. And stock futures open higher after Biden's victory. Oh, I'm pissed, man. I got a lot of things on my agenda after Biden's victory. Oh, I'm pissed, man. Alright, so the voice comes in and then I talk, so I gotta delay it more. Yeah, maybe I should just can it for this evening. Hey Joel, how's it coming in? Hey Honcho, what's going on? I think the voice thing's messed up again, Joel. Maybe I should just can it for this evening. Hey Joel, how's it coming in? Hey Honcho, what's going on? I think the voice thing's messed up again, Joel. Yeah. So my sound's coming in, and then my lips are talking. Stock market opens on Biden's victory, guys. President-elect Joe Biden, victory in the U.S. presidential election, ending days nail-biter over which candidate would prevail in the White House. Amazing. Amazing. On Biden's victory, guys. President-elect Joe Biden, victory in the U.S. presidential election, ending days nail-biter over... I can't even deal with this. This is ridiculous. Here it is. There's no one watching anyway. But I could figure out... there was 8 viewers watching. Maybe I could figure it out, Joel. Let's see. President-elect Joe Biden, victory in the U.S. presidential election, ending days nail-biter over... I can't even deal with this. It's ridiculous. Yeah, it's all fucked up. Here it is. It's all fucked up. Anyway. But I could... which candidate would prevail in the White House? Well, there's somebody who's messed up with the settings. No, I gotta get it fixed before tomorrow. Alright, I gotta get it fixed before tomorrow. Well, it's not on now. Let me go undo it from the back of the computer. See if that worked, Joel. Go the other way. Yeah, I'm using Restreamio. I'm gonna go the other way. Let's see here. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's got a slight. That should do it. I don't even have a lighter here. Shit, I can't light that. I wanted to light that. Can't light it. Alright, stock futures open higher. Let's see what this thing's doing now. Getting warmer. Tomorrow's gonna be an amazing day. Amazing day. All I gotta say is tomorrow's gonna be an amazing day. Can't even get this figured out, but the stream's bit rate is 1937, lower than recommended. We recommend that you use a bit rate of 4500. Oh, it's increasing. Am I getting there? Better now, huh? It's increasing. Better now, huh? No. Yeah, well, I have it set for 4,500. It's just not on 4,500. I'm using Restreamio. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see. Cole's made unimaginable decisions. Dude, what about Express? I want Express to do good. I like that little stock. I have Express and I have Chico's. But Chico's is working, Express isn't. Express is 62 cents. Do option traders know something? When this happened with Aurora Cannabis, it ripped. And it's short squeezed. There's a site called shortsqueeze.com. Right here, shortsqueeze.com. It's a good website. And you can put in, I did ACB the other day. See, it took 3.1 days to cover. They had 23 million shares short. Versus, so 5 million's been covered since like last week. I did AAL too, see? AAL has 157 million shares short, 2.5 days to cover that one. See that? With the short squeeze. And EXPR has 9 million shares short, 2.5 days to cover, 15% of the float short. See that? It's a nice when you have that information. And then I'm in Chico's, CHS. Chico's is 4% of 6.9% of the 5 days to cover. Chico's 7.6 million shares short. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using XSplit Broadcaster through Restreamio. I'm using the same thing as like the OBS. I got OBS and XSplit. OBS versus XSplit. XSplit has numerous options for local recording as compared to OBS may not have the best features to optimize audio. It does have more file formats. XSplit wins the round because of the high quality video audio format. ONCT, Octernal Therapeutics. See, now I have this new website called flashsec.com, and they're supposed to set me up with a user. I did a little thing with them the other day, right here. I got a login, but I don't have do I have a login? They were supposed to set me up with one, and then when you log in, you could find out information like I'm looking for like this really quick. Like what they do, what SEC filings they got. Clinical bio stage. I'll look it up in the nitty gritty and I'll tell you if it's in there. It is. I ain't gonna say wow or nothing, but I like it. I'll check. I'll do a little printout for it. A little printout right here. Let's do a little. This may be one of my picks for the Swing newsletter. Who gave me this? Who gave me this stock? Jordy? Really? Really? Let me see if I'm lined up. One, and then when you log in, you can tell you if it's in there. I'm close. I'm close. You got some insider buys there, homie. Right at the 230 mark where it is right there. See that? It's going Heinz 4. See that? Earnings due on 3/16. It's got an 82 relative strength. See that? 19 million in the float, 20% owned by funds, going from a loss of $3 to a loss of $1 to a loss of 83 with increased earnings estimates for the next 2 years. Doing 600,000 a quarter, but going from a loss of 34 to a loss of 22, displaying that less of a loss. Bottom right here is $1.67 is the lowest it could ever go, but it's done a nice base support with a top here at 335, 364, and 383. It's already done that right here, so we're on our way. So you have a risk of a nickel, all upside. You're not playing it go down to test 233, 299, or any of these numbers right here. It's already above that, so sky's the limit on this one right here. Where's it at 392? Just take it right here. There's your stop line. One direction only. There's your stop line right there. See that? And then you're playing that baby right here. One direction only. How's that? They develop therapeutics for the treatment of cancers with critical unmet medical needs. Volume increased 673,000 to 16.6 million. I like it. ONCT 11.8. Absolutely. One direction only. Yeah, that's a good one. So Flash SEC, get your shit together, and I would have shown everybody what you got going on tonight, but they don't, so they didn't. Let me see if they sent me something in my Skype. I doubt it. Nope. Nope. No login. Oh well. Yeah, I told them I'd live up to my side of the bargain. They didn't live up to their side of the bargain. I told them I was going live Sunday night, but they didn't follow through. Too bad. So beautiful. Yeah, let me show you some other ones. Little things I wanted to tell you tonight. So new traders. Let me show you a lot of new traders. Sitting home, getting ready for work. My website right here. Start your morning every day with hundreds of pro traders inside the MOJO chat room with real-time screen sharing and live audio. You'll never miss a trade. Look, I got one of my best videos right here. Watch this video, guys, on Watch Me Trade. You'll see all the action, how I do it in the room. It's really cool. What else got updated? Here's my services, $149 to $199 a month. I got the special tonight, though. Well, I got the new follow tonight. If you don't follow me on Twitter, I got 57,000 followers now on Twitter. Follow me up there. My best videos down here. Testimonials with Alan. I want to see if this works. So this wanted to put this in right here. Let me copy this link. I don't want to play it here. I want to see if it works here. Right here. Let's see. I'm going to add a web page.
Good afternoon and welcome.
Hey, what if I told you that the
Yeah,
best
it does work
opportunity
better.
on Amazon right now and the foreseeable future?
The MOJO Day Trading. I'm ProTrader Alan. I want to talk to you briefly today about my experience in trading with MOJO Day Trading and ProTrader Mike and the rest of our elite day trading team. I've been with Mike since the beginning, late 2012, early 2013. I ran a very successful insurance practice for over 25 years and was tired of doing it, spending $2 to make a dollar. Life can be like. And incidentally, Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks, that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014. You heard that right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014.
I wanted to see how that comes in now. I'll look at it later. But absolutely, that was nice. And I have right here, new trader up top. All you new traders, here's the program. You get started by enrolling in the boot camp and simulated trading. That's it. You go to school, you go to the boot camp, you get set up in a simulator, and you're off to the races. Prove you could fly the jet. That's what happens when you go become a pilot. It's what happens when you become a doctor. It's what happens when you become a pro golfer and pro at anything. They put you through simulation first to make sure that you can handle it in real-time environment. Once you can, and you pass the course and the boot camp and the tests and the training and the reviews, just like in any high-level, high-paying scenario in life. You can attribute this to anything. Anything. After you prove yourself with your mentor, then you're put in the operating room. You're operating. Then you're put on the golf course. You're golfing. Then you're on stage performing and he's in the background watching. You've gone through. You're not going to perform in front of a live audience. You're going to do it simulated. A fake audience. After you prove yourself, you trade firm capital and you're off to the races. This is the page. Check it out. New traders. The program cost is $99 a month just for the chat room and $99 a month, $99 one-time platform fee. Read this page. I'll give you everything that you know, everything that you need in order to succeed. Nice job, Chico. Chico did really good on the page. Thank you, Chico. Chico did good. What else did you update? The blog? Let's see. Yep. Updated the blog, Chico. Nice. Got the video in there. What else did you update? Crypto. Ooh. Yep. Let's see what the Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin is 15,547. Ethereum 456. Knew it would break 400 again. Haha. I told you. Bitcoin Cash is going to go to 300 now. See it at 269. Bitcoin Cash. Yeah. It's going to follow the Bitcoin. Wrapped Bitcoin too. It's been doing good. It's another one. Wrapped Bitcoin. You ever heard of wrapped Bitcoin? Wrapped Bitcoin. Here it is. 15,549. Crypto enthusiasts have been deciphering the correlation between Joe Biden and Bitcoin to better grasp his administration's impact on the crypto. Considering its minimal movement, there's very less material to analyze. He ain't doing shit. Dude, by the time he understands what crypto is, he's gonna be freaking croaked. 4 years go by, nothing with crypto, dude. Better get ready. Better get used to it. We got more problems than freaking Bitcoin. People were able actually to concentrate on Bitcoin because the stock market was doing so good. Let's see how we do now. Gonna have, maybe this is the last hurrah right here. Parties in the building. It's 11 o'clock. The party's moved to the roof. Now it's 3 in the morning. And everyone's drunk, dancing on the ledge. And I see it. Right here, up 370. They're on the ledge. You better call an ambulance, folks. There's going to be some havoc and some pain. See, you got to be in cash. You can't be an analyst. I write that in my notes all the time. You can't be an analyst. Who the freak are you? You know? Who the hell are you? I ain't no analyst. Every time I think I can call it, I lose money. I'm right 5 out of 5 times. I'm 5 out of 10 times, 50%. And I'm always off by 1 day. So if I would have waited 1 day, that would have been it. Always like in golf, your second shot's always the freaking best. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with trade. If I would have just waited 1 more day, if I just would have waited 1 more bar, if I just would have waited 5 more minutes.
I'm so sorry.
You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So it's going to open up huge again tomorrow. People that are going to short are going to buy the spike in the morning to cover. We're going to short that spike. It's going to come right back down to where they shorted it. Then it's going to start to work, and it's going to spit, vomit, and murder them because it's going to work and they're not going to be in it. Because why? They shorted it on Friday thinking it was going to go lower, and it's not, and it's going to go lower in the later afternoon, but they're all going to be sucked out of it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yep. How sexy, how freaking sexy is UVXY right here? I have a Joel. I have a better because you just, in case UV don't go, we just got to short the SPY too and go long the UV. So at 350, we'll go to 3 up. The risk is $2. The downside stopping station 327. And then we'll touchy 18, 318. So we got to have patience. Got to be in cash every day. Can't be an analyst thinking you know which way it's going to go. And we play what's hot. And I'll give you an example. I've written it in my journal right now many times. Okay? Right here. I'll make 3 boxes. So you have boom, boom, and boom. You have box number 1 is regular trading during the day. Box number 2 is in the pre-market. Box number 3 is in the after hours. Okay? In the pre-market and in the after hours, you always think you're going to get a better price than at any other time. Or it's never going to be at that price again. And you think that 1,000 times out of 1,000 times. And you trade in the pre-market and or making decisions in the after hours. Okay? So that's what you're doing. I have now journaled it and lost trading. I've been trading for 30 years. These guys that you see on the internet making YouTube commercials that they made $50,000 or made 10 times their money during the pandemic, wonderful. The market's gone up every single day, dude. You're really lucky. I remember when the market's gone down 72 days in a row. Try trading then. How good you are then. We'll see how many days and how your 10 times goes down in 5 days and you lose it all. So I've journaled it 1,000 times because I've lost 1,000 out of 1,000 times. And I found that in number 1 right here, number 1, the regular trading hours, I was able to get the same price or better. Or better than the night before, aftermarket, and pre-market. I was able to get the same price that I wanted or even a better price if I waited. What do you think of that? Amen. You want to see the next thing that everyone does? Fact. You buy right here in the pre-market thinking you can get the best price and you're going to make it work because you know it's going to the double X, right? So you make your trade because you're a greedy freaking fool, right? Right? Yep, that's what happens. And they're working on the Flash SEC now. Okay, great. Send it over. So now you're nailing your trade in the pre-market right there, and guess what? The market makers see you do it, and stock goes up 2 cents, and now it goes down 20. And guess what? Since the volume's low in the pre-market, it stays there for 30 minutes. Where normally this trade in the normal time frame would take 5 minutes. So you can't stand it here, down 20 cents, and the stock rebounds back up and you sell it. Because you're thinking it's going to go back down and you just buy it cheaper. Because you just sat there for 30 minutes thinking about it. Right? And then the stock works exactly like you would have thought right here in the blue. And it goes to the double X. But guess what? You're not in it because you sold it. Or if you are in it, you didn't make no money in it because as soon as it went up, you sold it and then it went higher. And that happens 100 out of 100 times out of all the people that I try to help trade. There's no question about it. And if that totally happens to you too. I know. I know all about it. That's how come I'm able to help people. Because I've been there. Don't you want somebody who, let's say, I got to go through the bad part of town to get to the good part of town. Who are you going to go bring you along? Someone who only lives in the good part of town? Or someone who's been in the bad part of town that's now in the good part of town? He's the best. He knows exactly what to do and how to maneuver. That's who you want. 30 years. I've got plenty of losing scenarios that have turned to winning systems that are easily adaptable, that not thousands and thousands. There are some teachers and mentors out there, okay, that have taught, let's say, 100,000 people. They're getting blown up with responses. They do a lot of advertising on the internet. And they're getting inundated with responses. You know what I'm saying? It's blowing up. Everyone's doing it. But the systems don't really work. Think about it. If the guy's taught 100,000 people and he has 5 millionaire traders, I've taught 1,000 people and I have over 10 millionaire traders. So it's quality versus quantity. You're not going to see me on YouTube. You know, I'm so good looking, I should be out there. You know what I'm saying? Slick back, dressed up sharp, solid in front of my streams, blinking and blinking, telling everybody, yo, 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 ho, ho, ho. Mojo, right now for the holidays is your Santa. Wants to take a select group of traders, introduce them to the perfect trading system. Show them with that a little dollar amount of money, they could turn it into a lot of money. You need to what? Make a couple $100 a day? Pff, dude, forget that. You come in and you're making $1,000 a day. That's it. You're going to have enough buying power as a day trader. That's your friend. Swing traders, look, you got $5,000. You can buy $5,000 worth of stock. Day traders, with the program, with $5,000, you can buy up to $100,000 worth of stock. With $100,000, you could make $1,000, $2,000 a day. It's very, very simple. I've got all these traders that have been with me for 5 years and 10 years that are all doing it day after day. You can do it too. So you go into the new trader. And right here, I got the special program for the new trader. It's not $149 a month. It's $99 a month. My holiday special for you all, my gift. Then you get the trading platform for $99. It's not a subscription. It's one time. And that's discounted from the normal rate of $150 for the platform fee, which once you start trading firm capital, you get the platform fee waived for the first 3 months, of $450 value when you start trading the real Benjamins. You enroll in the university day trading course that all the pro traders have successfully back tested already for you. You learn by demo trading with trade reviews from myself, passing the final exam. And in step 5, stage 2, you start trading live with the Mojo system you learned, hitting your daily goals, using your tracking sheets, and starting your day trading business. You join right there, step 1. Then you do step 2. I send you the platform to start trading with after a month. Minimum's $3,000. You'll get $60,000 of buying power, 3 months platform fee waived, and ongoing mentoring from myself, trading firm capital, dudes. It's the best program. If this was available and someone had been able to mentor me and bring me in and show me how to trade and then let me trade firm capital where I get to keep the profits that I'm trading with, and it's a win-win-win all over the place, man. It's the New Trader Challenge, and I welcome you to come take it, all you new traders. There's no swing trading involved because you don't have any money to swing trade. No need to hold any overnight positions. No need to get bogged down and learn the newsletter that I'm sending out tonight. Just learn the day trading and make yourself profitable. Futures are up 360 now. 370 stock futures are up. The futures are an indication of what the stock market's going to do tomorrow morning. And it's going to be up 400 points. This is the only time in history where it probably couldn't be. I tell you right now how you can tell if this is real or it's a fake. Do you know how you tell? You know how you tell if the futures, when you look at them, are real or fake with the number? 369, 54, and 256. When you look at them, it's very important that you know this. I only know this because I've looked at them, how many years now? 30. 30 years, 256 days is 30 times 200, 6,000. 6,000 times I've looked at that. So I could tell you how it's real or how it's fake. And if you like it, just give me a thumbs up. I'm giving you a lot of great education and what I know and my knowledge for 30 years, and know guys that are taking their chat room and there's some traders out there. Warrior Trading, Ross, he makes $170,000 a day. He makes $75,000 a day. It's a complete farce. I've never met any traders that are even profitable yet trading with me, yet alone making that money. He has 10,000 followers, half of those people in his chat room. What he does is there's a delay in his action, so he's the first guy in and the first guy out. So if the stock goes from 5 to 7 with millions of shares and you're able to buy it at 5, and by the time everyone else is buying it at 7 and you've already sold it, you could make freaking as much as you want. It's like getting the newspaper and knowing what the horse race winner is the next day, and you're getting the newspaper today. I can go to the track and bet I'd be the biggest horse guy in the freaking world because I'm front running. I already know who the winner is before the race. Kind of like the the elections and shit, right? And all this crap. It's all fucking rigged. The guy's freaking buying, calling out everybody else to buy it after he has. They all come in and buy. Oops, he's already sold, and now they rush to sell, and they all lose. And it's like quantity versus quality. And they don't know that this number is real because it's over 50. It's over 30. It's over 100. If them futures are over 50, dude, it's real deal Holyfield. They're going to be down tomorrow if it's negative 50. If it's positive, it's going to be up. Okay? 70, 80, we're going to be in that direction. If it's at 30, futures are up 30. Dude, who knows which way it's going to go? Futures are up 15, not 50. Dude, who knows which way it's going to go? It could be up or down the next morning when you wake up. Crazy. But if you got it the night before up 369, guess what? It's going to be up 300 the next day. That's how you could tell if it's real or fake. If the number's over 30 with the S&P. If the number's over 70 with the Dow. And the NASDAQ, 50 also. This is a huge number, 100 and 200. This is historic. I've never seen nothing like that ever. Telling you. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. So yeah, man. I got a day trading room. I got the system right here. Perfect trading system. This is my boot camp. This is what you're going to be learning. When you become a member, you get this course in Teachable at mojouniversity.teachable.com. And this is the course. And this is the system. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get prepared. And I have these guys right here in beautiful hard copy. See how thick this is? You join the team, and you're going to take the course, send you one of these. You frame it, put it on your wall. It's your game plan for the perfect system. Trade stocks like a real professional does now. You know what I'm saying? So here's what we got going on. You're getting prepared right here. Right there. The first thing we're going to set up is the journaling and the tracking sheets. You're going to learn the trade plays with the mental prep. You're going to get your systems all set up and with the trading rules. With Secret 1, the only way, and then Secret 2, and then Secret 3, how to trade like a professional. The secret trade play number 1 you'll learn. Right here, my challenge to all the students and every trader that I have ever met is show me secret trade play number 1 that doesn't work. I've done over 10,000 out of 10,000 trades in a row that have worked. I challenge you to lose in one of them. Imagine going by the slot machine and every time you pull it, you win. Wouldn't that be a wonder? Wouldn't that be a wonder? You'd do it, and if it did, you'd say you would do secret trade play 2 every time you pulled it and you won. This one would come into play. Because I've done this one so many times, I found out this one. So I got 2 secrets. And the rules for my system is the outcome goal, the process goal, the self-belief, and the patience. It's all about patience, guys. Did you see Phil Mickelson, dude, hitting that iron shot when he was 11 over yesterday? He was giving up. Everyone was saying he had the worst round and this, and he comes into 18 and he sinks it from 193. Dunks it. Dude, anytime, dude. Anytime, you got to have the patience and the belief. And the belief, the discipline, the math. You got to have the buying power and know how to scale, buy a stock with one trade 10, 11, 12 times before you even done getting into the position on just 1,000 shares. The management, the technology, the support, and the consistency of your business. And you have this system, you got the perfect trading system, guys. You got the perfect trading system. Do you know the average American makes $55,000 a year? $232 a day. Dude, that's my commissions on my trades. I want to make $4,000 a day and pay $200 in commissions doing it. That right there is $80,000 a month and $1 million a year. You're a millionaire trader. Let's do it. You don't got to be no broke. No more. Christmas is coming up with the holidays, man. Don't you want to have a good holiday and a good Christmas? You got to take the system. The American dream. You day trade in the morning with the MOJO team, and then it's time for your hobby or your second job in the afternoon. That's the system. It's the American dream. If you like that, you'll come join the team. Got the special right up above. It's the holiday special, guys. You day trade in the morning. If you can't make the morning and you're a doctor and you got lunchtime or the afternoon, pop in for 30 minutes. And let's trade some Tesla and some Facebook and some big movers, some mover doovers. Make some cashish. Bang it off and you're done, man. It's great supplemental income. Absolutely. Dude, I'll do it with you the whole way. I'm a family man with 2 kids. I've been a day trader for 30 years. Founded my MOJO chat room in 2012. I've taught hundreds of students. I've got 10 millionaires in the room that trade with me every day. You'll meet them. I'm blessed, humble, dedicated, passionate pro trader with discipline, self-belief, and patience. It's me, guys, right there. I'm a social media influencer. I've made 2,000 of these shows. 2,000. Why? Because my picks and the systems work. And they're easily adaptable to anybody. Anybody. Dude, did you see last week's newsletter? Let me show you last week's newsletter. This was on a Sunday, 10/25. Good evening. I shorted Zoom from 588 to 520. Look at this newsletter. Click. You know I got the weeds in here. I got the Heinz trade play, which is my main stain system. This structure tells you exactly how to scale in and do 3 entries with, tells you how to do it, man. If you know how to read, I got some guys, he's easier to teach. Dude, if you know how to read, this program is for you. And if you know how to listen, the rules have been the same. You want to know how to sell for a profit? Look at the rule. When a pick, this is a swing pick. Now, when a swing pick goes up 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, I'm not gonna call you on the phone. No alerts going off, dude. Use your discretion. Watch the price action and the volume and sell half the position for a profit. Doesn't that make sense? It's prudent. Maximize by raising the mental trail stop on the other half of the position. That really makes sense too. Trail the new highs the stock is making. That really makes sense. When it reverses, let it stop you out for a nice profit. Ooh, that's masterful. Don't sell the second half any lower than the first half. Oh, that is so studious. Oh my goodness, who wrote this? Don't let a profit turn into a loss and you could never lose on the trade. And don't wait for my signal to start taking your profit. Dude, oh my goodness gracious. Dude, those rules are so simple and magnificent. Crazy, right? Well, if you would have voted like I told you, you would have picked Hexo. Remember, Hexo went to $1. Express I got in there, Sonam and Supercom and Reeds and Apron. That was a good one. Hexo went to $1. What's my other one? 3 new picks. BP, ExxonMobil, and Wells Fargo. 4 new picks for Sunday. Let's see, 11-1. Tonight's newsletter is 11-8. So all you gotta do is change the dates. Same newsletter. But the futures aren't going to be down 200. Who's going to win, Joe Biden or Donald Trump, huh? Well, that might still be it. I'm not calling anything yet. I ain't calling nothing yet. Top 4 Hexo at 61 cents. Hexo went to $1. You doubled your money. BLRX went from 198 to 305. You almost doubled your money. And Shrax is at $3 and JVA is doing good too. Those are the 4 picks. And I got new ones coming out tonight. That's my swing trade newsletter. So what do you want to do? Day trade for a living. Here's what you want to do, guys. You want to join the MOJO Day Trading chat room. You want to go from being a regular chump trader to a real pro trader. You want to sign up for the day trading challenge. You want to trade for 2 weeks profitable. And you want to fund your account with real live money. The mission statement of MOJO is to provide you the education and tools necessary for anyone to trade the stock market as a business and replace or exceed their prior income, providing a lifetime of financial security. Day trading is just what we do. We buy and we sell stocks throughout the day and close all positions in a cash by the end of the close of every trading day at 4 o'clock. The best trades are the ones that work very quickly in your favor and could be sold into the surge higher and properly maximized. Day traders take advantage of volume and volatility, which creates the price fluctuation, and day traders take trades both long and short, even on the same stock. And I teach all this, as I am here, in the basics of the ProTrader Bootcamp. I'll teach you the 5 pillars of MOJO, the discipline, the math, the scaling, the buying power, and the patience. I'll help you with the pitfalls that you'll go through. Trading in the pre-market, how, as I explained before, it ruins the opening wave. Thinking you're going to miss something that ruins your opening trade and the rest of your day. Not stopping after hitting your daily goal and giving back all your profits. Happens 9 out of 10 times, as the MOJO wave theory has journaled this hundreds of times. I've already told you this in the beginning of tonight's show. Poor scaling mistakes on share sizing into different kinds of trade plays. As I teach in the course in the boot camp, an example of the Heinz trade play versus a stopping station trade play is like playing in poker ace 5 when you get dealt it versus pocket aces. You don't trade the same size or aggressiveness or play in poker the same amount of chips and aggressiveness with ace rag, ace 5, ace 6, ace whatever versus you would pocket kings or pocket aces. Very similar trading in poker. I'll help you with discipline. That you don't have patience, but I'll show you how to get patience. I'll show you how not to trade in the pre-market, how everyone is greedy, how no one uses their inner person. I'll show you who that is. You'll meet your inner person. I'll show you how to shut it off. I'll show you how scaling is terrible and how people don't know how to price. And people get stopped out and don't know how to reprice. And they trade all day long, never maximizing or rail grinding with no level 2 knowledge. There's no discipline that anyone has in trading. And that's why you're going to lose. The pro traders realize trading is a marathon, not a sprint. We have easy to follow bankroll management rules which apply to your overall account size with share sizing. Pro traders in my chat room have a system based on selective attention and positive expectancy. And the pros, we love the high probability Heinz trade play, which I told you 10,000 out of 10,000 times have transpired. I wrote an 80% win rate, but it's a damn 100. And I want you to join and you show me a Heinz trade play that I teach you that doesn't work. It hasn't happened, which will Allah, aka, make you Mr. A millionaire, dude. I'm telling you, you come in every day, you pull the damn slot machine on the way out every damn day, you work in the kitchen on the way out, you're going to pull it once or twice, you do that for 2 years, dude, you're going to become a millionaire, you won't be working in the kitchen no more, you'll own a restaurant. That's how I did it. See what I got on my desk tomorrow? 2 chips, this is what I'm going to make. 2 $1,000 chips going into my stack tomorrow. That's all I want. It's enough for me. I don't need to make 20, 200,000. You can't. The only way that you could make 100 grand in a day is if you take a large position in the stock. If you take a large position in the stock. And you're going to get burned. Alrighty. Huh. Alright, let's see what they're at now. Futures are 340, 48, and 237. The freaking tech stocks are going to open up huge, dude. Huge, and I'm short a couple of them, so who knows what's going to happen. Can't wait to trade tomorrow, though, I tell you that much. Love trading. Oh, I can't wait. All right, what else we got? I don't think I'm going to send out no swing picks. That ONCT is okay, but I don't know. Setting up your business. I show you how to do that in the boot camp. How to open up the bank account, do the taxes, and set up the business, guys. I tell you all about the PDT rule. I help you with your journaling, help you with your tracking sheets. Right there, tracking sheets, journaling. We go through the first part, we go through the second part, the trade reviews. Proof is in the results of my trading. 99 win rates for years and years and years. See, when I first started out, guys, I started in 2013. And I kept a Google spreadsheet like you see here for the day trading room. And I did 113 trades and won on 99 with my average scalp of 20 cents. And I won at 88%. And everyone's like, whatever. And I kept on doing it and doing it for the whole year. And at the end of the year, I was like 80%, 90%. Everyone was like, you're full of shit, dude. You're doing 300 trades and winning on like 300. You're full of shit. Anyone could keep a Google Drive and keep one of these spreadsheets and do what you're doing. And I'm like, all right, whatever. And just kept on doing it. And I just 96%, 93, 93, 93, 98. Look, 97, 98, 9. And about right here, I started to figure out my system. I kept on looking at the trades that make me the most money. And I figured out the system that I teach now. I brought it into 2015. And I kept 98%, 99% out of 196 trades. I won on 194. In March, on 282 trades, I won on 280. In April, I won 210 trades. I won on 208. I only lost on 6 trades in 3 months. Actual trades that were called out in the MOJO Day Trade room. And dude, this is undeniable. And at the end of 2015, Mojo's real, dude. Because no one could copy, and the people that were trying to do Google Drives like I was failed off. In 2016, I continued with the high 90% win rates. That's my edge, 90% win rate. See that? It's real. So I have a 90% edge over everybody else. That's my edge. I'll show you the edge. I teach the edge here. Here's the edge. So the edge in the casino, guys, is every $1 bet. Every time you make a dollar bet, you can win $1. You can win $1. You know, I put it on red, and I hit red. I'm winning. They give doubling my money. Said I'm winning my money. Give me my money back and give me my winnings. But the casino has a 5.4% slight edge in this game of roulette. The player can win 18 out of 38 slots. It's 47.3% mathematically. And the casino could win because of the 2 greens here and here. They beat you 52.7. There's 38 slots. The casino wins a nickel on every dollar. So in $1 million of bets going through the wheel, they're going to make $54,000. They're going to win $527,000, and they're going to lose $473,000, netting them $54,000. That's the casino's edge. Here's the Mojo edge. Every dollar you can make 2 to 3 times on your money and even more. The market, 20 out of 100, 20%. As I told you, we're better than 80%, but I'm going to leave it at 80%. We win 80 cents on every dollar. On 1,000 Heinz trades, we're going to win 800 times. We're going to lose 200 times. We're going to win $800,000 and lose $200,000 and net $600,000. That's it. It's all math. we have a tremendous, not 5.4% edge, but an 80% edge, man, of winning. You win every time, dude. And here's what you win it on. It's called the Heinz trade play. Works with great consistency. Every day trading chat room person out there is now using this system officially. If your guru, moderator, trading guy goes, we're trading this through the even number, we're trading this as it approaches the even number, we're calling it the bobble, whatever they want to call it. We're trading this through the through the 50-cent mark. And they keep on doing that over and over and over and over and over and over again. They've taken my course and they've been in my chat room. And they say, hey, I could just do this myself. I'm rich. He doesn't advertise. I'll just go advertise and I'll get 1 million people. And then I'll front run those people. And that's what people do, man. And that's what's been done. But I'm the original. I've been doing this since 2012, folks. When I came aboard, there were 3 of us. The 3 of us are still here. There's another big one. And hey, there's 900,000 others, dude. Who are you going to learn from? I got the experience. I got it all. It's all about understanding level 2. This is where I trade. Trading with day trading is done in minutes. It's not done with charts. It's done off the price of the stock, the momentum, volume, and volatility. And you get all that information within the level 2. La Jolla Pharmaceuticals traded 800,000. Previous close, 453. Highs 5, low 434. Last is 497,798, which tells me it's a dark pool, up 9% at 45 cents. Level 1 quotes 496. By 498, VWAP is 4.6579. It's above VWAP by 40 cents. It's about to go through $5 with a big signal right there on the ask. I got all that information from looking at the level 2. Shows me everything. Who's on the bid? The NASD, the Boston Exchange, EDG. That's Ameritrade down here, EDGX. It's Ameritrade sitting right here at 5. How do I know that's Ameritrade? And E-Trade, that's the one they use, EDGX. Did you know that? Now you do. This is the thing. If you like these slides, this is the perfect trading system. What I show you, 7 slides. The Gonzo trade play, guys. It's so amazing. It's so cool. ProTrader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. You got to learn that. It's a pre-market indicator in the level 2, resulting in a really, really big winner. The Gonzo. You got to learn that one. You got to learn what rebate trading is. You got to learn what my 1+1 formula is. You got to learn the cycle of emotions and the system and how to control your emotions. You got to learn what the Marabuzu brothers are. You got to learn what the trading challenge is. You got to learn what the stopping stations are. Round and round it goes. Where it stops, nobody knows, but I do. How do you trade up and down the ladder? I show you. That's so important right there. What's the wow trade play? What's the rail grind? You know what I'm saying? You got to learn that. What's the Cupid top? You got to learn the V-band trade play. You got to learn the Hulk trade play. You got to learn the Green Giant trade play. You got to learn the one-shot trade play. You got to learn the auto-close trade play. You got to learn the Skittles trade play. You got to learn the bounty trade play. Let me give you the bounty. Perfect example. The stock is hurt beyond compare. It's displayed 3 red bars. It's destroyed. Everyone hates it. The forums tell it sucks. It's got lawsuits out the gazoo from every single freaking company wants to sue them. If you've owned the stock between this and this time, it used to be 50. It's now 5. It's a great company, but for some reason, it's a piece of shit. There you go. Aurora Cannabis on 10/18. Here's my slide. Let me show you. Look, I wrote on 10/18. It's a consumer product specialty company. Swing trade newsletter pick at $4.02. It's been a pick for a while as I've been selling covered calls. Now it's an outright long buy with much more upside than downside at $4. Volumes increased 159% to 19.9 million from 7.6 million shares. Anyone can understand that. They have a new CEO aboard. You can understand that. Earnings have increased for the company from this point as all the bad is left behind them. Hopefully you can understand that. The float is 9 million and the funds are 10% and the risking is 10 cents. Your reward is $1. The stock went from 4 to 12 on 303 million shares. The bounty trade play worked in 2 days. The quicker picker-upper. I came in on the quicker picker-upper, and I nailed it right there in the swing and in the day trade from 4 all the way up. Love it. Love it. You got to learn the shining trade play. You got to learn the tag-along trade play. You want to see this tag-along? Look at this one. Look at this trade play right here. Uber and Lyft. I did this on 11/6, guys. What's today's date? 11/8. What's today's date? 11/8. When did I do this? On 11/6. When is that? Friday. Look at this trade. Uber and Lyft. Tag along called and chat at 8:48 a.m. Right here I say, look, new daily high on Uber. Right here I say it right here. Just like the weeds. We're all in the weeds, and they ripped. We're going to tag along Lyft from 29, 30, and 31. And look, Lyft, textbook at 11:57. 11:57, perfect tag along trade play with Uber. String again the third day setting new highs, really strong. 100% textbook bootcamp perfect trading system lesson right there. 12 o'clock, went from 27 to 30, 3-pointer. Tag along. You got to learn that. Rad and CVS. A month ago, look. Rad's flying. CVS is flying. Both of them. You got to know the stocks in the industry group. You have to. You have to. Many of the stocks that are too high in price are perfect candidates for call and put options. It's a short-term bet for a one-direction move. Either you lose 50% of your money or you make 100% to 1,000%. Okay? Let me show you this one. This was on 10/19. And I did the same move right here on Friday when the stock went from 4 to 12. I had all these options. The option at 8 cents went to $4. Okay? And the option at 4 cents went to $4. Let me show you. So right here, these options right here, 8 cents went to $6. 600 an option times 50. I had 64 of them. So you take out the calculator, and I had 600 times 64 is 38,400. So right here, this is $38,400. What went into that? 64 of them at 8 cents. So 64 times $8 each. I put in $32. So $32 turned into 38,000. This one at 4 cents went to $4. So it's 400 times 123 is 40,000. 100 of them at it's $4 each times 123. That's $492. So if you had $492 when I did right here, and I had 13,000 shares at 4, stock went to 12. I already was up $2,000. Okay. So that's 8 points. That's 100,000 here on the stock, 38,000 here, and 40. That's $200,000 of profit, and half of it came from $1,000. That's the power of options when stocks really go ballistic and make a move. And how did I know it was going to do that? Because at 11:07 on Thursday, the stock was trading 236 million shares, not 6 million. It traded 6 million every 5 minutes. That's how I knew it. And I did it here and I did it there. Okay? Same thing that happened on 10/19 happened on Friday. Let me see, I have the option right here. Here's it. I have to update. That's the next slide. But that is my perfect trading system, guys. Here's another big move on an option in the room. On a larger stock, Peloton, which the option went from 50 cents again to $4. Here. I sold it at 72. It went to $4. Love it. So I'll save that. All right, let's see where the futures are at. And I'm ready to call it a night and get ready. 349, 51, and 256. Damn. ABC was freaking crazy, dude. Crazy. Big money was made, dude. You know what's the craziest? I put out 4 picks and 3 of them work. And most of these guys, like whatever who their names are, they put out like 12 picks. I write them all down. One of them work, and that's all I hear is, oh my gosh, how much money they made on their pick. It's quite unbelievable. Quite unbelievable. Well, thanks for chatting, man. Thanks for the chatting. We'll pick it up in the morning for sure. Looking forward to it. Hey guys, at the end of my video, there'll be other videos that pop up, I'm sure. Please feel free to watch that. Above my head, subscribe to my channel so when I go live, you get notified, you get an email. And please give me a thumbs up. If you don't know what the thumbs up are for, I'm a day trading show. Video guy, and people search for day trading on YouTube and Google. They're related. If you give me a thumbs up, Google takes that thumbs up and they're like, this guy is a respectable viewer. Thank you, you are. He has a good opinion, and if he likes it, other people may like it. So their algorithm picks that up, and the more likes and views that you have, the more times that your video is suggested for viewing with other videos and so forth. So that's why I like the thumbs up and I ask for it. So if you can, I put the time in. Let's do it. And I'll check you out next time. Congratulations, everyone with the crypto and the Bitcoin. That's also doing really well. And we'll catch you on the next show, guys, in the morning. Peace. Keep it profitable. See you tomorrow.
Challenge